Hi everyone, hope you're enjoying the coding journey with us. This is Top Notch Coding Center. All right, so today we're going to talk about Git. What is Git? So, Git is a tool that we use to manage our work. And how does it do that? Now, Git is like a space where software developers send their work online. It's like a cloud where you send your work as soon as you finish doing your work on your computer, send it there. Why do we do that? We want to keep ourselves safe so that in case your laptop crashes, in case I want to review your work, I'm in Uganda, in different countries, I can just send me your link to your GitHub account and then I can comfortably go and review your work and I even leave their comments. Okay. So, how do we use Git? You come here on www.github.com and then you sign in. Okay. So I'm going to sign in with my username, my personal GitHub account. That is Namfuka. Okay. And then the password. Okay. So usually we get a prompt. You get a code on your email. They want to be sure no one is hacking into your GitHub account. This is very sensitive work. Okay. So I've got mine. It is 00002199. Okay. All right, so now I'm right here in my GitHub account. Now, what do I want to do? I want to create a repository. What is a repository? A repository is like a folder online where you create a folder online, then get that folder to your local machine and then start putting work there and push it online. So we get a folder, you create a folder. That folder is what we call the repository. Don't be like, let the word repository not confuse, just a folder. So you come here, click on plus to create a new repository. Okay, so this new repository, we're going to name it my industry. Okay, that is my new repository. It should be, the name shouldn't be used more than once. Okay, then you can add the README, check it. I'll tell you why we need the README. And then visibility, please check that it's public because I'm going to be reviewing your work. If it's private, I have no access to your work. Yet I need to keep reviewing it. And now we are going to click on create. The rest you can leave the defaults and click create repository. Okay. So after creating a repository, you'll see it here. GitHub, your GitHub account, and then the repository you've just created. Now, the next thing we're going to do is clone that repository. Cloning means I need to get a copy of this work on my machine. So how do we clone the repository? You come here in the code, using the word code, click there, copy this link, copy it. Now, I'm assuming that all of you have Git installed on your laptops. If you have it installed on your laptop, you come here, open a new terminal, and then we are going to clone it. How do you clone it? You just type git clone and then you paste what you've copied. For me, I already cloned it, but let me re-clone it. I'm going to type git clone space, and then I paste that link that I've copied, paste, and then enter. Since it's already there to tell me that it's already there, I already cloned it. Now, that means that now I have a copy of the repository I've created online. I have a copy of it here on my PC. The next thing to do is to open it with Visual Studio Code. So come here, open Visual Studio Code, okay, and then come to File, open folder. That folder is here, my industry. Okay. Now we're going to stop here today. Open that folder. This is a repository, my industry. Okay. And now we are going to start putting our work there. So we're going to stop here today. Please let me know when you have finished this step. Then I can offset you to go to the next step. Have a nice day.